All right guys, today we're doing a battery switch out on the JNC 660. Very popular jump box. A lot of people seem to like this. We're gonna switch it out. You got two options for this battery replacement. You got a standard version of this battery. This is the high rate version, so you'll get more bang for your buck here. So we're gonna put this in. 14 screws to take out, and then we'll be inside. Now this box is a customer's box, so I want to make sure it is functioning before I take it apart. Looks like it is. I don't want to put a new battery in here and then let's say this not be working and then not know whether it was working before or not. But we know it is working, so we will expect it to be working once we're finished here. All right. So JNC puts a high rate battery in here. They call it a 22 amp hour battery, 12 volt. So we're gonna put something as good or better in it today. We just need a 10 millimeter socket. We're gonna take this apart. Okay, got a nut, got a washer. We got 3 wires here. We don't wanna drop anything in case we have to reuse anything. Come in the nut, washer, no, 3 in the red. Now this battery here that was in the box has these connections, and our battery, you'll notice, is a little different. It has these ears. That's okay, that doesn't matter. Our new battery comes with its own bolts, so we won't be reusing these. We'll just discard them this time. So to install the new battery, I'm just gonna set this in place here. Just drop it down in so the positive's still on the positive side, the negative's still on the negative side. Okay, get our new nuts and bolts out of here. Washers and lock washers. All right, so we're gonna capture the ear. Now sometimes with these are designed to sit down over top of something. So sometimes they'll sell copper right angles. You can reconnect to these. Other times I will simply bend these to fit. And that is what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna bend this, crimp into this, bend it down, so that it matches the angle. I'm just making it do what I need it to do. So Phillips bit on that bolt. So you can get it started here. There we go. At a bit of a funny angle. There we go, that's on there. Alright. Let's do the positive side. We only have 3 wires to connect on this side. And again, make crimping. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the positive side. We'll bend that ring terminal down so it's at a right angle, just like the negative side we already did. And then we're just gonna make sure we get all 3 of the red wires attached here and not leave any of them out accidentally. Now that we're finished with that, we'll put in a couple screws just so we can test everything, and then we'll seal it all up the rest of the way. Make sure our battery is working. These clamps here. Set this to 20 volts DC. Give this a pinch. Give the black a pinch. There we go. So that's interesting. So these are always hot, I guess. I'm not going to go ahead and touch the black and red together, but I haven't turned anything on. There is no on switch. It seems to me that if I were to touch these together, they would spark. And while doing that a little bit might be okay, doing it a lot, not. And even doing it a little bit could be enough to blow something in the printed circuit board on the inside of this box. So definitely don't recommend doing that. Well, it's time to put this back together. So at this point, I'd like to remind you guys to use your drill softly or do this handheld so you don't bust through the plastic on the top side and tear it out. Well guys, thanks for watching this video. If you're still watching it now, just want to say thank you very much for watching. It means a lot to me that you would stick with me. I am all in favor of getting battery information out there. I know this is very basic battery stuff, but hopefully it's helpful to someone. So thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you on the next video.